Do you struggle to organize your photos? What are Lightroom catalogs and how can I use them effectively? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to store and catalog your images so they're very easy to find later. I mean, even years after.
Ja.
So once you've got your memory card in the computer, you want to go in, copy the photos. Now I have a photos folder on my desktop. So in here you can see I save all the years, so we go down to 2018, and this shoot was for mag, so let's call it mag shoot. Now inside your shoot root folder, you want to save your pictures inside an originals folder. This allows you to always have an originals folder where you don't edit your actual photos. This is very important for future use. So what I like to do is cut them and paste them. That way I know that my memory cards are empty and ready to go for next time. Okay, so once these have copied, we can go ahead, close this, and we can open up Lightroom. So now when you start up Lightroom, you'll notice that your previous catalog will still be open. This is always going to happen once if you're editing multiple photos. So what I like to do is go to the library module. Then I go File, New Catalog. So inside our photo folder, we navigate to our root folder, which is mag shoot. We're going to go in here. We want to select the mag shoot folder. We don't want to select our originals folder. And here we can give it a name. So I like to name it the root folder plus LR at the back in all caps so I can see the Lightroom catalog folder just at a glance. And then we can go and create. Lightroom will close and it will start making new folders for you inside that root folder. So then we can go ahead and import our images. But as you'll see here, our source is locked up and we can't really see where all our images are. This happens to a lot of people and most people don't know what to do. Now this means that my memory card is still inside the card reader. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this, pull out my memory card, and now we can click import again. And you can see it's back to how it normally is. So we're just going to navigate to desktop, photo, 2018, and we're going to go to mag shoot. And now to import, we want to select our originals folder. So once your photos have imported, you can go ahead and start selecting them, the ones that you like. So I do this by pushing left and right to navigate through the images and pressing B to add them to quick collection. So this is a good one. Now in this step, I like to go through them quite quickly. I go left to right quite quick. I like to select the ones that are better or the ones that are worse. I will select all the ones that I might choose in the end. If you see here, I've got two that are so similar. I select the one I like more. This one I like. That one I like. Okay, that one I don't like. That one I don't like. So we're going to go for this one over here. Select that one and we're going to select that one. So now we've added a couple of photos to our quick collection. We can go and select that tab and here we can see our quick collection of images. Now these are the ones you're going to edit. Previously you don't want to edit, if this was 300 photos, you don't want to edit all 300 and choose the ones you like at the end. You want to narrow it down to good ones, narrow it down to better ones, and then right at the end you want to export your best ones. So I've got my full collection here, I've got my quick collection here, and these are the ones we're going to edit. So now we can go ahead, select the first one, and click on the Develop module. This will bring us into here. I'm not going to spend too much time on showing you how I edit. That's going to be in another video. But let's just quickly apply a preset that I've made for myself. So these are my finals. Now I go ahead and Control A and select all of them and click export. We want it to go to a specific folder and we want to choose that folder to be our root folder. So in 2018 we select mag shoot. Now we want to put it into a subfolder called export. The reason why I do this is because I might have a second subfolder later called Instagrams. I might have even another subfolder called Instagram stories. I might have another subfolder called finals. I usually do, to be honest. Second important part is I'd like to rename this to file name -sequence. The reason why you want to keep the original file name is so that in my originals folder I can always refer back to the same picture. File settings, I'm going to limit them to 2 megabytes, but you don't have to. And the rest we're not going to worry about for now. Now we can go ahead and export. Alright, so once this is exported, we can go ahead, close Lightroom. We can go into our photo folder, check out 2018, Mag Shoot. We have our export folders, we have our Lightroom Catalog folder, and we have our original folder, still unedited, untouched, as you can see. Now for the real Mag Shoot that I did, you can see here my Lightroom Catalog folders there. My originals are all still in there. My export folders, now there's 4 different export folders. There's an export, a finals, an Instagram, and an Instagram stories folder, and also the video that I shot that day. I've been using this method for many years, as you can see by, let's go to 2012, Ice Odyssey. As you can see, my original photos are still there, my edited photos are still here. And say for instance you see a photo that you like and you go, oh, I wish I had the original to that. Well, we do. So this is the easiest way to find these again. You can just have a look at the file name, so it's 1195. So we're going to go up to the originals and we just look for 1195. So right over here, image 1195, there it is, the original photo. This was shot in a Canon 5D Mark II, so we can still edit this quite nicely, and you can always edit your originals again. Well, there we go guys, a very easy way to store, organize, and save your photos in folders, leaving the ability for you to edit and access them later again. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this. Leave a like if it helped you, or consider subscribing for more tips like this in the future. I need an outro song. No, that's not going to do it.